Good morning guys, it's Doris from LookMazing and I'm back to share with you guys my summer morning skincare routine. And unlike my nighttime skincare routine, my morning one is quite simple. I'm typically in a rush, so I like to keep things on the minimal side. I start off by washing my face only with cold water, so no cleanser. It's just a great way to lightly cleanse away anything from the night and also wake myself up. I typically only use one skincare product in the morning, and it's usually a serum. Right now I've been using and loving Maelove's The Glow Maker Serum, which contains 15% vitamin C, vitamin E, as well as ferulic and hyaluronic acid. Compared to the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Serum, which I was previously using, I love the Maelove one a lot more since it's lightweight, effective, and a lot more budget friendly. You can also see here that my Drunk Elephant one has already oxidized. Maelove is developed by MIT scientists and produced at top labs in the US, same ones that luxury brands actually use. And the main difference is that they're able to deliver it at such an affordable price since they sell directly to the consumer. The Glow Maker has actually already sold out 3 times, and I can definitely see why, since after using it, my skin has appeared a lot brighter, smoother, and feels really nicely hydrated. I've also noticed that my fine lines are now less noticeable as well. Now, to kick off my makeup routine, I like to first put on some jazz music to create a nice relaxing mood, and I'm using the IT Cosmetics Anti-Aging Armour. This is a tinted SPF of 50, and since I go foundation free, I really like this one since the tint really helps even out my skin tone. And also the vitamin C from the Glow Maker layered under the sunscreen actually helps boost the effectiveness of the SPF to help fight free radicals. For some extra coverage under the eye area, I like using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealing Pot, and this one does a great job of concealing dark under eye circles, and it won't crease or budge all day. My go-to palette has been the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. I've just been really loving all the shadows in here since you can create really nice warm looks, especially coppery tone ones. And I think it's been great for summer, but also for transitioning into fall. And I just love using my fingers sometimes to really blend it out, also especially if I'm in a hurry. So overall, just a really nice palette. Since I don't use a primer, I find that the eyeshadows stay really well. For eyeliner, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Demolition. I just really love how this one doesn't smudge or budge, and it's easy to apply. For brows, I'm using the Style Nanda Brow Mascara, and I've had this one for quite a while now. It just does a great job at making sure all the hairs stay in place and filling in any sparse areas, as well as helping lighten up my brows. I really love the fibers in the matte mascara, and this one just really adds a lot of volume and helps lengthen the lashes. I'm also using the Lilah B Divine Duo for lip and cheek, and this one is in the color B.memorable. And I just love how you can apply a little bit for an everyday look or layer it up for a more dramatic nighttime look, and I just love how well the pigment stays. And lastly, I'm using the Hourglass highlighter stick in Champagne Flash, and I just really love this nice glow that it adds, and I simply use my fingers to blend it out. And that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed my simple and easy skincare and everyday makeup routine. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!